I am back today with another quick video for you. Today I'm going to tell you something that is life-changing. Okay, maybe it's not life-changing, but if you happen to sit in a desk chair all day long behind a desk, then this is something that you want to do. I'm talking about changing out your wheels on your existing desk chair. Yeah, I know it seems kind of crazy, but here's the thing. Here's what happened. Take a look at this. In my office, around the floor, you see that mark that was left from that chair? Yeah, that's not dust. That is actually a mark on the floor from one of these desk chairs, these plastic wheels that they have. And then there's the part on the floor that is actually completely a chunk taken out of it. It ruined my floor. So I got one of those covers, the little plastic floor protectors, and that seems to work okay, but it just never seems big enough. You're always rolling off the edge of it. Well, we recently moved this office and made this office area here for our laser room. That's another story I can tell you later. And when I was looking at getting another floor protector for this chair, I realized that there's something you can do even better. That is changing out the wheels. These are, the brand is Lifelong. I think there's some others, but this is pretty much like rollerblade wheels. And it's so easy to do. And I want to show you something. First off, look down here. This is so loud. These little plastic wheels, listen to this. They're rough, they don't work too well, and they're just not ideal. So, I found these on Amazon, and trust me, this was worth it. I think it was about $40 or something like that for a set of them. And you open it up, here's all 5 of them, and they're clear, they're hard, they have a super weight limit on them. I think it's like 350 pounds maybe, but they are awesome. And they're really easy to install, so I'll show you how. First off, we're gonna flip the chair upside down. Don't mind all the dust and dirt on the chair, that's just part of it. What you wanna do is take these wheels and just kind of wiggle them and pull them out. Yeah, you're gonna get some grease on you maybe, but all you done is just probably stuck those in whenever you got this. You just wanna do this for all 5. And that's all there is to removing the wheels. And these you can hang on to them if you want to, but you'll probably end up just trashing them. The new wheels go in just like the others came out. Press them in, may have to wiggle them just a little bit. And that's all there is to changing out these wheels. Now, not only are these wheels completely safe for your floor, they are silent. No longer making any noise. Check that out. These are so much better. Also, it rolls so smooth. Seriously, this is almost life-changing. Once we done it for one desk chair, we decided that all 3 desk chairs in our house had to be replaced. These wheels are actually pretty amazing. And these we're just throwing away. Be sure to check out the link down below this video if you are interested in some of these wheels. They are really pretty awesome. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.